welcome, lovely viewers, once again. Ed varieties on your screens, at your homes, This is our lovely channel. We preach good health, good living, Today we are going straight up all the way to Kenya, We are going to Miss Trudy's home. She has something very special, She prepared Ghanaian jollof for her family. Do you know who is Miss Trudy?
Miss Trudy is the wife of our lovely son, Maya from Ghana. So our Kenyan wife is Miss Trudy.
Maya is everywhere. Maya is doing a great job everywhere. So yeah, the wife prepared the Ghanaian jollof for her family, and after the family tasted the food, something really happened in that video. So we have something to say after you watch the video.
Wahala day for Kenya house. Wahala day for Trudy's house. Let's watch the video.
I'm so excited. This jollof has turned out perfectly, but I'm not the one to say. Let the people taste and then So, and then they love, oh man, they love eating it with cabbage, and then they put mayonnaise. Ooh, it's really so good. Costro. What'd you say? The chili is strong. Now this is West African food. It has a lot. Even this might not be enough.
I don't think this right.
Too much pepper. Too much pepper.
Too hot.
Take it down with a drink. I told you when you're having a Ghanaian meal, West African in general, you have to have a drink because it's usually so hot. The food is so hot. Yeah, but it looks so good. You have your plantain, you have your jollof, you have your chicken. This is my dad's favorite fruits, passion fruit. So yeah.
Jollof.
Okay, Dad, your final thoughts. It's not jollof, it's jollof with an F at the end.
Jollof.
Yeah. How do you rate it on a scale of 1 to 10? 1 being really good, 10 being pathetic.
1 is very good.
Yeah.
How come?
No, you rate it. You tell me. It's supposed to be the opposite.
Yes.
So it's supposed to be 10 being very...
My boss.
I'm your boss now, right?
You're my boss. When you took me to Kenya, I didn't want to go to Kenya.
But I took you there by force because now something really happened, so we need to discuss that. So you have to go and witness
I
it
didn't
yourself.
want to see this.
No, you have to witness it.
You know, after watching the video, I was so sad.
Why? What made you
In
sad?
a way, I was happy when she was preparing it because she said she was preparing Ghana jollof for the family in Kenya who I think they have not tasted Ghana jollof before. So I was just clapping for her. The way she was in the kitchen, grinding, preparing this thing. I was even sensing the flavor. Yes, I was.
You always sense, You have a good sense.
I have
You have a good sense, organ.
Then, I could see that she put in plenty pepper when she was blending. I said, hey, what's this lady up to? Then
I even thought maybe she's someone who eats a lot of pepper, or the family likes eating a lot of pepper. That's what I thought.
So the food was on the fire and gradually everything was okay like we saw.
Yeah.
Then she plated it. And then when the families were eating, the pepper made them cry.
Yeah, I realized that when the dad tasted the food, at the first taste, he just changed the face. I was like, wow. She was like, sorry. He was like, there's too much of pepper. So I realized that that means the man don't like eating too much of pepper. So Miss Trudy should have at least reduced the pepper when she was blending. It's too much.
So she said she was preparing Ghana jollof. And according to what she said, she said Ghana people, they love pepper.
Not all.
It is not true.
No, not
that
all.
thing, it is not never true. Because for me,
individual differences.
Yes.
Everybody.
For me, I don't like too much pepper.
Me, I like too much pepper.
I know you love pepper, and same way I don't.
Yeah.
So if I want to prepare my jollof, I would ensure that I don't add too much pepper.
Exactly.
So if Miss Trudy knows that, no, you are preparing this thing first time for your Kenyan family, and you know Kenyans do not like pepper, just reduce the quantity of the pepper.
Exactly, that's what she must
She
have done.
didn't do it. She was saying it's Ghana people, and
So,
I was
is he
pissed
trying
off.
to say when her husband Udemaya tastes that food, he's going to like the pepper?
Maybe Udemaya
Udemaya, do you like pepper too much? We want to know. Your wife says you like pepper.
Udemaya loves pepper. Their family loves pepper. They love it when they cook and there is too much pepper in it, and then the pepper will be peppering them, and then
They'll be getting runny nose.
maybe that's them. But for most Ghanaians, it's everyone's taste. If I like sugar, you don't like sugar. For me, I don't like sugar. Same way with some of the ingredients. There are some spices someone may not love, but someone will love it.
Exactly.
One man's food is another man's poison. Yes, so the pepper was a poison for the Kenyans, and then something good for. So
Not
in
really
fact,
a poison, but some way, because they couldn't like it.
Yes, I'm just saying it because there was too much pepper. And I want to correct Miss Trudy. No, Ghanaians never like pepper. And she even went on to say that the pepper is like they are our weather. The way Ghana's weather is hot. That is how I know she was.
You're just creating a
joking.
humor,
Yes.
You're just creating a humor.
So, no, it's a no for us Ghanaians. We don't want to fight you.
But what she did in the jollof cooking that I liked was, it was merely a Ghanaian jollof. How they, she fried the ripe plantain with the fried chicken as well. But I couldn't see any kind of vegetable or greens on it.
She went strictly according to what she was taught. And I think I want to give her 100 for trying that Ghana jollof.
Because she's not a Ghanaian.
She's not a Ghanaian. But she went all out to look for those ingredients, and she did perfectly well. The only thing that spoiled the whole matter where the jollof gone wrong was the pepper. The pepper was too much. So we want to learn from this. If you are going to any country and you know this is what the country wants, or how they live, or how they eat their food, if it's too much pepper, you ask them that, this food, if it's spicy, it tastes nice, please, should I add more? Then you do it. Like she would have a 10/10 from me, but because of the pepper, I'll give you 0.
She should have done the calculation well. The family is many, so you don't know who might like the pepper and who might not like. So she should have at least done it moderately. So to me, I'll give her.
So in Ghana,
8 out of 10 will be fine for me.
In Ghana, when we prepare our jollof, we have our shito. So those who love spicy, like spicy, yes, you give them the shito, that black sauce. So that those who want the peppery thing, you can pepper them for them
pepper
to
them.
pepper them gang. So I think Miss Trudy is a pepper them gang jollof cooker. But I think it was all joke. I'm not sure if truly, but the way their facial expression shows,
Daddy was not happy. Daddy
was not happy. The pepper is
that's
too
why
much.
Daddy gave her 7 out of 10.
So next time you are cooking any Ghanaian food, for your family in Kenya, and you know they don't like pepper, just reduce the quantity and your food will be so good. But we are really trying, Miss Trudy, because learning another culture with
it's
their
not
food
easy.
is not
It's not
easy.
easy,
So we give you a good dose. Giving you a 0 was just a joke. You really try. By the pepper, you are a pepper them gang. Next time, don't be in that gang. So what do you have to say again? Anything?
No, she did well.
Yes,
all the
I
same,
also love the fact that she gave that juice.
The passion fruit juice.
The passion fruit. I love passion fruit.
Yeah.
I don't know if she prepared it naturally or.
But I'm sure it was natural. Maybe she
or maybe those canned drink or whatever. But I give her kudos for that because when eating, we have to eat a balanced diet, and you did very well. If you had add some leaves to it, like salad or something, it would have been great. But you are learning, you are in the learning process, we are all learning.
And very soon we are going to try a Kenyan recipe, You would have to teach us, so you have to comment at the comment section.
So Lovelies, this is what we bring to you. Yes, Miss Trudy is doing well, trying to prepare her husband's food and she's doing very well. But we want that correction. Ghanaians, not everybody like pepper. We don't want to be in the pepper count, especially me. I will cry. So see you in our next video, but stay healthy.
Always stay healthy. Exercise. Taking a lot of water.
And avoid too much pepper.
Yeah, sure.
Because you are going to cry.
Yeah. So what do we have to say?
Bye-bye.